Today is day 5 and we've got an action-packed itinerary with some serious sights, food, and a fun lineup. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because you won't want to miss any of our adventures in Japan. So let's get started. We get to ride in Japan's famous bullet train. If you've never experienced it, let me tell you, it's fast, efficient, and such a fun way to travel too. We've arrived in Yokohama, and today's first stop is the Nissan Headquarters. We're going to take a look around, learn about some of their latest technology, and maybe even get a sneak peek at their latest concept cars. I've always been a huge fan of Nissan, and seeing it in person is such a thrill. I'm so impressed with the innovation happening here. And as a fun tip, when visiting places like Nissan Headquarters, make sure to check out any availability, tours, or exhibits. You might just discover something new and fascinating. The ride on one of Japan's regular trains. And let me tell you, traveling by train in Japan is such a great experience. These trains are incredibly punctual, clean, and very comfortable, making it a smooth ride from city to city. The cool thing about Japan's regular trains is that they offer the same level of comfort you'll expect from their famous bullet trains, just at one more relaxed pace. You can kick back, relax, and enjoy the ride. It's the perfect way to get from city to city while still soaking in all the beautiful scenery outside the window. As you can see, the view from here is just amazing. If you're traveling on the regular trains, make sure to grab a window seat. Trust me, you won't want to miss these views as you pass through the countryside. Alright, that was an amazing experience, but now it's time for some food. Let's head over to the Steak Dada in Fujinomiya, where we're going to indulge in some serious, delicious steaks. Steak Dada is known for their mouth-watering steaks, and I'm about to dig in. The smell is incredible, and I can already tell this is going to be the highlight of today's food adventures. Look at that! The steak is so tender, the fries so crispy. I highly recommend Steak Dada. After a delicious meal, we're taking a little stroll through the local mall here. It's a perfect place to grab some souvenirs and just take in the atmosphere. Japan has the best shopping experiences, whether you're looking for high-end fashion or just want to explore. It's been such a full day, and we're finally heading back to our hotel. From the regular train ride to the Nissan Headquarters to the amazing steak lunch and shopping, it's been an adventure filled with memories. And let's be real, delicious food. Alright, that's a wrap on day 5 here in Japan. We've got more exciting days ahead, so make sure to stick with us for the next blog. Don't forget to subscribe if you've enjoyed these adventures.